Hi, I'm Nate. I've recently been making music, partially AI generated, partially my own voice AI modded, and sometimes not. Most recently, um, this song I made about a week ago, and I sung it and then modded my voice to sound like a girl. It's kind of weird. I'll play that for you. It's already posted on YouTube and TikTok and whatnot. I go by Dom I Nate. I also wrote cover on there because it sounds like a girl, and obviously it wouldn't, even though it's my own stuff. So let's hear it.
Now I'm out feeling fine. Keep you away from my mind. Play me just like a chime. I'm gone, you lost this
Let me know what you
time.
guys think.
Please forget me. When you're chasing things that don't matter out there in the city, don't call me when you needed someone to lean on, when you broke needing pity.
And so you can listen to that on my channel. It's on TikTok, it's on
Time you
YouTube
blamed me away,
at
trying eternally,
EOM-I-Nate.
never could be pleasing
So
you.
check that out.
A
And I'm going to show
simple
you
thank you would do.
my second rendition of that. I made it a little
You'll
more
work on
custom,
it.
and so
Fine, I
we'll show you that right
don't
now.
give a
I'll do the one that I actually sang and I modded my voice, and that's going to be posted separate too. But I figured I'd just go through some of my workflow of how easy it's been for me to make music, other than the writing, which is somehow came easily to me recently as well, which is odd because I'm a mechanical engineer and I hated English in high school, so that's something, I guess. I sang it, so and I made the voice really nice. I could sing it live, maybe I will, but I'm just gonna play it for you since I'm an amateur. See what we got here.
So let's talk about me. Things are not as we see. We can't ever unsee all the things you did to me. Now I'm not feeling fine. Keep you away from my mind. Baby, just like a child. I'm gonna lost this time. Please forget me.
Chasing things that don't matter out there in the city. Call me. Need a mate to lean on. Broke, needing money. I think I went overboard there, but I'll post that one too, and you guys can listen to it.